Good evening, people. This is Hemant Kumar, teacher of anthropology and political expert. So today topic is the tariff war all over the world and lot of affected in the Indian government for the one type of frustration of the president of the America, Donald Trump. So basic reason of the tariff war for the India, only they blame the India purchased the Russian crude oil. So India help the war of the Russia and the Ukraine. So only one type of blame of the president of the Donald Trump, that is the only for the frustration. They are also purchased the lot of thing in the Russia. They are, did not count this of the thing. So that is the basic reason of the day by day increase the Donald Trump the tariff in the India. Each and every time president of America, lot of time the all over the world one type of start the kill the democracy and start the princely rule all over the world. So lot of time American President Donald Trump says India purchase the Rus oil. That reason they increase day by day the tariff of the India. They start 25% of the tariff. They start 100% of the tariff. And now this situation start ki okay, I put the tariff of at least 500 of the India. So what is the main reason? That is the not reason of the okay, India purchased the oil of the Russia. So those reason they say ki okay, I put it the tariff. That is the not a problem. First of all, American President Donald Trump, each and every time they say ki okay, I stop the war, India and the Pakistan. I stop the war of the different of the country. Why? Because they take and they nominate the peaceful Nobel Prize. India never say ki okay, I recommended it to the Nobel Prize of the Donald Trump. One is the need of the Nobel Prize of the American President Donald Trump. And second thing, they should ki okay, India can nominate it. India never this type of person. Those person are one side, they say ki okay, I close and all over the world peaceful country, all the over the world. One-sided, they catch the arms and ammunition in the Venezuela president. They avoid all thing of the United Nations, no any rule and regulation those area. And that time India taken initiative of the terrorism. So they are blaming Pakistan and India at least 1,000 years of the war and fighting each other. So first thing, why I came, because they say ki again I increase the tariff of the India in the 500. No mandatory, no anything else. India never front of you or decrease yourself, and without fear India doing each and everything those area happening and careful the Indian 1,14,000 crores people, Indian people. Why frustrated the president of the America? Why frustrated, and why each and every time ki okay, Prime Minister Modi is the my good friend, best friend, but their negotiation is very hard. So that is the thing. And in this time, Prime Minister Modi is the taking a good initiative for the Indian people, a small and medium agricultural people, farmer, dairy sector, the local cow